How to show Discord hidden channels. The first thing you want to do is you need to download Better Discord. So pull up your web browser and type in betterdiscord.app. So you have to download and install Better Discord first. So once that's already down, you need to download the plugin. So this is the link for you to download the plugin, the show hidden channels. So type in github.com/justoptimize slash show hidden channels. So once you are on the website, just simply click the green button that says code and then download zip. Now once everything is downloaded, you need to extract the plugin file. So after the plugin file is extracted, this is the folder that will show off. So pull up your Better Discord and you go to the settings, the gear icon, you scroll down and click plugins. Now while you are on the plugins page, you need to click open plugins folder. This is where you need to insert the plugins that we just downloaded earlier. So open the zip folder and then you hub to copy this file, the show hidden channels. This is coming from this folder. So just click and drag, copy that file, close it, and it will be able to show here. So all you just have to do is turn on and enable all of it, and you'll be able to see hidden channels on Discord. So that's how you see hidden channels on Discord.